Yes, Anthony.
Masu? Yes, there has been a slight change of plans. Jenny won't be able to make it. Hello? Masu?
You think you have time to waste?
Masu, I'm really sorry. This one is beyond us. She's really sick.
I don't care. You should have called and let me know.
I'm really sorry, Masu.
If you say that one more time, don't be sorry, Anthony. Get things done.
Masu, I know she's not here, but this was her idea. You know, she suggested renting the space to other people, and that also could bring in the young females.
Well, maybe she has some use. But you, Anthony, you're losing focus. I mean, it seems that you just caught up with this union with this woman.
No, Masu, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Not even sure I can trust you with this project anymore.
Andrew been telling you things about me again, isn't he?
He doesn't have to. I can see what's happening.
That's only because he's been pointing your attention to it.
Anthony, we have moved from delivering 6 girls a month to 12. They don't care how it's done. They just want it done.
Which good? Whispers, the line between good and evil has become very blurry. I don't even know why I do this again.
Bossy, don't make your emotions get the best of you. You know why you do this. When a set of people are oppress the next set of people, that will fight for. And when some innocent females get taken away, that will fight for. I know say this little chip wicked. But look on it that way, yeah. Now you know say your father is a hero. And I know you're pre-Mullins. But it's a reason why him keep it from you.
He did say my father said to keep this secret.
And that an easy secret for keep. The man the rate you, bossy. Like how me rate you. At this you're born for do. So, I beg you, don't turn your back on it.
Whisper. I'm gonna need a minute to think about this. How you dress up, sir? Where you come from?
You know, so I'm just gonna make a move.
Whisper. I tell you about that something there, you know. You can't continue seeing her. You have to leave it alone for a little longer. You might be doing more damage than good. Just listen now.